Hi Brainsters! Are you ready to learn something interesting today? Let's go! Let's start with a square of side length 5 centimeters. The area of this square will be 5 times 5, which equals 25 centimeters square. Now connect each vertex to opposite edge points like this. The region bounded between the 4 drawn lines forms a square itself. Now can you find the area of this square visually? Pause the video and just think about it. If you've got the answer, congrats! Let's crack this now. We can rotate the 4 small triangles pictured here to form 4 squares congruent to the original shaded square. This means that the shaded area is 1/5 of the area of the original square. As the area of the original square is 25 centimeters squared, so the shaded area equals 5 centimeters squared. Isn't it amazing how math helps us understand shapes and spaces? Follow for more such math quizzes.